Hello YouTube friends and welcome. Today I have for you a pair of flashlights that I did found at IKEA. So I was looking for some lamps for my desk and I came across these flashlights. So I didn't know about that IKEA is producing also small flashlights, so I did pick them up for my family members. So let's see what you are getting for on a budget. Okay, so these papers look like they inform you should not throw out these to the garbage but dispose it because some kind of electronic parts inside, of course. And then we have here just a manual how to open the flashlight and what type of battery to put in and how to turn it on. So self-explanatory. Okay, so let's see. And these come not with the battery, so you have to put your own. But it looks like a really nice streamlined design. So made in China, quality control test. Okay, so a little bit of specifications. So we have a overall length of 13.1 centimeters or 5.1 inch. The weight of the flashlight is 58.7 grams or 2 ounces. It will cost you €2 or 2.6 dollars currently. This can change with the exchange rate, of course. The name, I forgot. The name is KNÄRED, something like that. I did make a quick search and it is a location in Sweden, a small town. Okay, so and yes, it will function, of course, while open, but there is nothing to focus the beam. So just maybe for your kids. This is in no way, shape or form a tactical flashlight or can be used in that measure. This will bulge up in your pants if you are carrying it around. It's good for your desk, maybe at the counter, maybe to have it in the kitchen. But I will give you a few options. So this is the UGS BY XP2 that I bought on eBay a year ago. So this is also a much higher output light, and it uses two AAAs, as you can see there. So a much more efficient light source. Then also I have here the the Skywolf Eye, which is one of the most cheapest pen flashlights that you can get on a GearBest. This has also a much more higher beam output. Also is powered by two AAAs. And this will cost you under $2. So yeah, just a small utility flashlight for your kitchen, maybe, or for kids to play around. Also a gift option. If you have any questions, leave comments down below. And as always, have a nice day. Bye.